smoke, horns and traffic. This is not a highly congested city street. This is the detour from the Fidar Bridge, currently under construction after it has been destroyed in the Israeli attacks during the summer of 2006. Some of the people affected the most by these changes are the AT students. Just 200 meters ahead lies their main campus in Halat. Where do you come from to the university?
I come from north, from Psharri to Jbel to the university.
Okay. How is the road treating you?
Well, the road is not very good because the bridges are destroyed and it's being difficult to come here and transportation is being difficult. I don't have a car. That's the situation.
Surprisingly, however, not all the students are up to date with this problem. So, is that bothering you?
No, I'm not bothered.
Me too.
I have fun on the road, yes.
So, how long do you think till the bridge is completed?
Maybe 2 years.
Hopefully in 10 years.
Maybe 2 months.
Just 3 months, I think.
It depends on the people who are helping Lebanon and it depends on the government.
Maybe it takes 3 or 4 months.
We go on the ground to the construction site in hopes to be enlightened with the facts. And according to the lead architect, Mr. Rawad, work on the bridge began in November last year and will continue till July on this year. It should be 130 meters long and 22 meters wide, which should fit 3 traffic lanes. With these facts, now we know at least on paper that this ordeal has gone long enough and the AUT student will have a new bridge to drive by on their way to their university and back home. And Antonios for AUT News, Halat.